Hello friends, there is a big breaking coming up right now here from Calangute police station. The Calangute police have arrested a 29-year-old man, Sunil Pawar from Chembur, Maharashtra, who was accused of harassing a woman tourist on Baga Beach on the eve of New Year. The action came up after the director of tourism filed a complaint on January 5 following a viral video in which this man was seen making obscene gestures at this woman. Police said that the accused allegedly made obscene gestures outraging the modesty of this woman tourist. The director of tourism and the department said that such unruly tourists will not be tolerated and action will follow. And following which the police complaint was filed and this action was taken. The investigation team led by PSI Dinesh Kanolkar was sent to Mumbai, who detained the person in Chembur and then they brought him back to the Calangute police station.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.